Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I have chosen a lesson from your science book and we will discuss about soil. Okay students, the topic is soil and this from class 7th. As we all know that all living things depends directly or indirectly on soil. Okay students, on soil. It means that the whole living things which are present in this earth, which are living in this earth, which are living at this earth, are wholly or solely dependent upon soil. Okay? All the living things depend directly or indirectly on the soil. First of all, we classify living things into two parts. Classify living things into two parts. Okay? Living things, man constitutions of living things are okay, plants and animals. Okay, let us first discuss how plants are dependent upon soil, or and how then after we will discuss how animals are dependent upon soil. Let us first discuss plants dependent upon soil because they get all the nutrients from the soil, the nutrients which are needed by them for growth or for life processes. They get all the nutrients from the soil, or minerals. Okay, minerals or water which they need during their process, that is photosynthesis. You have already learned about it. That is the main parts, the main things which a plant needs are minerals, water, nutrients, which all that gets from soil. Soil is the important part which soil is the important part on which the plants are dependent. Okay students, good soil, what gives the soil? Soil gives all the minerals, water, nutrients to the plant. So this shows that plants are dependent upon soil. Soil, what is soil? Soil is the man natural resource. Okay students, soil is the man natural resource. Soil is the man natural resource. Go, what we discuss, that the plants derive all its vital nutrients from soil. The vital nutrients which are needed by the plant for its growth or for its life processes, they get all from the soil. Soil, man, we have discussed there that the living things depend directly or indirectly on soil. First living thing, plants, wholly or solely depends upon the soil because it gets all its vital nutrients from the soil. Okay students, and second part, it supports the growth of plants. It supports the growth of plants. How it supports the growth of plants? By holding the roots. By holding the roots. The roots of the plant are holded by the soil. Okay, it supports the growth of the soil. A plant can stand upon in the earth only when its roots are holded by the soil. It supports the growth of plants by holding the roots. Second question, third thing which we will discuss, it is the home for many organisms. It is the home for many organisms. Many living things are present in soil. Okay, and soil acts as a home for them, such as some insects, such as ants, such as earthworms, which are present in the soil. The soil acts as their home. Okay, it is the home for many organisms. It is the home for many organisms. Okay students, third thing, soil, you can write down these things on your notebook so that you can get aware about these things. Soil and what we discussed, it's man why plants are dependent upon the why plants are dependent upon the soil, because soil gives the man nutrients, minerals, water to the plants. Soil is the man natural resources. What soil, it supports the growth of plants by holding the roots. It is the home for many organisms. Soil is essential for agriculture. For agriculture. Okay, students? Agriculture. Okay, agriculture, soil is the essential for agriculture. What agriculture provides us? Agriculture provides food, clothing, shelter, etc. Okay, to the humans. Okay, so all the agriculture activities are dependent upon soil. Okay, soil is essential for agriculture. Agriculture provides food, clothes, shelter, etc. to the humans. So these are the things for which soil is important in our day-to-day life, and soil is the main thing which is and soil is inseparable from our life. Soil is inseparable, it cannot be separated from us. We cannot do the all the living activities without the soil from our life. Okay, students? So these are the main things which I am telling to you about the soil. All living things depend directly or indirectly on soil. Soil, plants, main thing, the soil is important both for plants and animals. Soil gives the man nutrients, water resources to the plants. Soil is a man natural resources. It supports the growth of earth by holding the roots. It is the home for many organisms. Soil is essential for agriculture. Agriculture provides food, clothing, shelter, etc. to the soil is inseparable from human life. Now let us, students, I will discuss an example with you. If you go outside your home, okay, students, this time, and take some soil sample and observe it carefully. Okay, students, if you go outside and take samples of soil and observe it. Okay, you can do it at your home this time and observe it care. What will you find in this soil? What will you find in the soil? Okay, student, you will find, I will tell you some ants. Okay, some grass. Okay, some clay, some sand, some maybe it may be watery, some water, etc. These are the things which are present in the soil. If you collect some soil and you will take it inside your home and then observe it carefully, you will see some things. For example, ants, grass, clay, small water, etc. Okay, students, that these are the parts of the soil. These are the constituents of the soil. These are the things through which the soil is made up of. Okay, then now what we can tell, that the constituents of soil are grass, clay, sand, water, etc. Okay, students, and this describes as the soil profile. These things describe as the soil profile. Okay, students, now I will rub this. Now we can say that okay, you have already learned that soil is made where from the soil comes. It is made from rocks. Okay, rocks. When weathering takes place, breakdown of rocks takes place, there the formation of soil takes place. Soil is formed. Okay, now let us discuss what is soil profile. Soil profile. What is soil profile? What is soil profile means, what are the constituents which are present in the soil? Yeah, soil is composed of distinct layers. Soil is made up of many layers. Okay, students. First of all, I will show a diagram here. It's a glass of water. Okay, let us bring some sample of soil and put it down in it. Okay, students. When you put some soil in this glass of water, you will see some formation of layers. Formation of layers. Some layers will be formed in this glass of water. Okay. And these layers comprise the soil profile. First layer you will see it will be gravel. Okay, students, gravel. And the second layer it is sand. Okay, and the third layer is clay. Okay, then is water, and then is humus. The upper part of the soil is called humus because all the dead materials are present in the humus. Good, there are many layers of the earth. First is sand. First is sand because it settles down at the bottom. It is high. It is settles down at the bottom, and then is clay. Then is water. Then is humus. These are the main parts of the earth. So you can say that the soil profile comprises of sand, clay, water, and humus. This is the soil profile. Okay, students. Now we can say what is soil. What is soil? The mixture of rocks, the mixture of rock particles, the mixture of rock particles and humus is called soil. Okay, students. What is the soil? The mixture of rock particles, because soil is made up from rock. The mixture of rock particles and humus. Humus are the dead material which are present on the upper layer of the earth, and humus is called soil. Okay, students, this is the soil profile. Soil profile is composed of many layers, that is sand, clay, water, humus, and humus. This comprises the soil profile. Okay, students. These are the main things which are in soil profile. And when is it is what let we define what is humus. Okay, humus, the rotting dead matter, the rotting dead the rotting dead matter in the soil is called humus. So this was some discussion about the soil and the main things which are important in your lesson. Tomorrow we will discuss after that what are the layers of the earth, what are the layers of the soil, and what are the types of the soil. This was some little discussion about the soil. Okay, students, tomorrow I will be with another topic, that is the component types of the soil. Okay, thanks.